Hi guys, so today we'll be trying pop rice. Let's see it off the filter. I just like my filter really dark, so okay, so this is off filter. It's pretty colorful and there's only two colors, yellow and red. So let's open this. So let's open this up. This thing, it's just right. So, ayan. So we got it. And twist it. And it's open! And let's try them. So I'm gonna try the yellow one and then the red. So we'll be removing the mask here. And this is just part of my outfit, this mask. No. Alright, so let's eat. Yeah, we got one. Mama! Mama! It's still yellow in the inside. It's really good. By the way, this is pop rice, just so you forget and have to go back to the start. Now I'm going to be trying the red ones. What's supposed to be the red ones? It's hard to get the red ones because they're like at the bottom. So we got a red one. Let's try it. It's definitely a different buttery flavor. This one is like peanut buttery and sweet with sugar, and this one has like no sugar. It's like bitter a bit, bitter, but it's really good.